Welcome to CTM DIY, where we help you transform your bathroom into a space that's truly yours. With our easy-to-follow steps and the right tools and fittings, DIY can be simple and satisfying. So come along and let us guide you as you create a bathroom that's both stylish and functional. Today we'll be putting together a towel rail. The next part of the installation requires a pen or marker, a spirit level, a drill, a concrete wall drill bit, a star screwdriver, as well as an Allen key. To install a towel rail, the correct height must be measured. The recommended height is 1.1 meters from the floor. Once that step is complete, mark the points where your holes will be drilled. Once you have checked alignment, drill your holes. Screw your mounting brackets into place. Then place your two washers over that. Push your towel rail over the mounting points. Use two small Allen key screws to secure your rail from underneath.